Hey everyone, I'm Alex, and today I want to give you an exclusive look at the latest build of Vizard to show you how our captioning and auto-editing features are really coming together. To start things off, I've already pulled the audio from my timeline, so I'm simply selecting the file and running it through our local transcription model to get the process moving. It takes about 30 seconds to process an 8-minute clip, which is definitely quick enough to keep your creative momentum flowing without feeling like you're stuck waiting around. One detail that people often overlook is frame rate matching, so make sure to select the correct setting for your project right at the start to avoid those annoying technical headaches later on. When we get into the text preferences like fonts, size, and spacing, I like to keep the defaults, though I am tweaking the caption color just to make sure it really pops against the footage. We have added new title layout controls that let you define the max words per line and the max number of lines, which is perfect for keeping your captions looking clean and readable. I'm bumping the word count up to 6 and the line limit to 4 to ensure that even my longer sentences have a consistent, comfortable look for mobile viewers. I also nudged the vertical position down to the lower third of the frame, which helps keep the text clear of any other on-screen graphics I might decide to add later. Now, it is worth noting that in this early version, you cannot perform fine-tuned timing edits for each individual title inside Vizard, so for now, those specific tweaks happen in your main editor. We are planning to add much more granular timing controls in a future update, but our main focus right now is ensuring the transcriptions and layout presets are rock solid for you. When you click to open your project in Final Cut, the app generates a small library file that you can easily copy and paste right into your main editing timeline. I recently tested one of our new visual presets, the prison blur, on a clip to grab attention, and I was honestly impressed by how seamlessly it applied to the footage. Our speech-to-text engine is surprisingly accurate, and you have the choice between different models depending on whether you are prioritizing raw speed or maximum precision for your SRT files. If you are working in vertical mode, which is essential for social media these days, you just need to adjust your line settings slightly to make sure the text doesn't get clipped. One of my favorite features is the ability to export your work as an SRT, which allows you to import perfectly formatted closed captions directly into your professional editing software. This export-import loop is a massive time saver if you are doing professional distribution work that requires strict formatting standards like safe zones and black background bars. Vizard stands out because it doesn't just do one thing. We have built a cohesive ecosystem that combines auto-editing, social scheduling, and content management all in one place. The auto-editing feature is the real game changer here, as it analyzes your long-form footage and intelligently pulls out those high-engagement moments that usually take hours to find. You can trust the system to find the laughs and the hooks, or you can jump in and tweak the selections yourself if you have a specific vision in mind. Then, with our built-in auto-scheduler, you can easily queue up your polished clips across different platforms without ever having to leave the Vizard environment. This whole system is designed to act like a lightweight co-producer, handling the repetitive technical grind so you can stay focused on the creative storytelling. Looking ahead, I am genuinely excited about adding features like word-by-word caption animations and more advanced styling options like shadows and glows for that perfect viral look. We also want to improve the caption timing editor so you won't have to jump back and forth to your NLE just to nudge a subtitle by a single frame. We kept the initial feature set lean on purpose because we wanted to get this into your hands quickly and start learning from how real creators are actually using the tool. If you need a tool that grows with you and keeps everything from editing to scheduling in one place, Vizard is designed specifically to help you on that journey. I am currently working on a full step-by-step tutorial that will cover every corner of the app, and that should be live for you to watch very soon. In the meantime, please let me know where your current workflow is hitting a wall, because your feedback is what dictates our roadmap for the next round of updates. We want to make sure Vizard is the first tool you reach for when you're ready to turn your long-form content into a consistent stream of short-form clips. That is the tour for today, and I really hope you find it helpful. Please jump in, play around with it, and tell me exactly what you think. This is just the starting point of our journey, and I cannot wait to see what you create with it. So take care and have an awesome weekend.